I've worked with YouTubers for the past 10 years and the most successful ones do these 3 things. And they're not really talking about it. So let's get into the first one. Number 1, not filming and editing on the same day because the overall goal is consistency. Mr. Beast always says make 100 videos before you assess if you want to do YouTube.
All you need to do is make 100 videos and improve something every time.
You really have to give YouTube time, and not just being a little consistent. I mean like psychotically consistent. Every single time you say you're gonna post. But that also means you have to pick a sustainable schedule. So find the balance between how often you upload and how easy it is for you to create those videos. How do you do this without feeling like you're working all the time? You batch film and then you edit on different days. Secret to mastering the 3 hooks. On YouTube, you have to think of the title, the thumbnail, and the first 5 seconds. Each hook is equally important. You have to think about the thumbnail and the title just as much as the first couple seconds of the video. The first hook is the thumbnail, it's the visual hook. The second hook is the title, and that's the written hook. And then the third hook is the first 5 seconds of the video, and that's the content hook. But thinking of videos in terms of 3 hooks on YouTube is very helpful. Secret 3 is really simple, and once I started doing this, all my videos started getting way better. And that secret is cutting or adding visual interest every 5 seconds. You don't always need to cut, you can just add visual interest. You could add something on screen like a picture or text, or you could cut away to B-roll, or you could do a cut in or a Ken Burns. You could add a transition. There's tons of ways you can do this, and you'll kind of come up with your own that you really like and that are fun for you to do. Adding visual interest every 5 seconds is something that naturally successful YouTubers always do. They're always keeping in mind the pacing of their video. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you like these types of videos, I make videos every 2 weeks on everything video editing, so I will see you guys back here in 2 weeks.